Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm from the R&D department. Today I'm going to show you how our water leakage sensor works. As you can see, the white thing here is the transmitter and the yellow cable here will be the sensor. So once I turn on the pipe and the water comes in contact with the sensor, data will be transmitted to the software dashboard. This is to demonstrate that if there is a leak in the cable, the sensor will be able to communicate that to the user via the software dashboard. So once I turn on the water and the water comes in contact with the sensor, within a minute of time, it will send a signal to the software dashboard and turn the signal from normal to leak. So once the status is changed to leak, the technician will be informed from the software dashboard. So once the fixing leakage is done, all you need is to just clean up the cable from the leakage point. As you can see, I wipe it dry, so it will reflect to the dashboard that shows that from the status from leak to normal. That's all for today, but do stay tuned to our channel, subscribe if you haven't, as I will be sharing more on how our other sensors work in due time. Thank you!